Hey Ed, but your crumbs were animating. Crumbs, why is ours not? That's because I forgot about it. I'm not gonna lie. So let's put in the crumb animation. Let's go here. I just looked at it. I'm like, whilst I was recording this video, like something is a bit off. Something's not happening. I feel like something should happen. Yep, forgot to animate the crumbs. So after we run this whole thing, I want the cookie to do a little jump and the crumbs to animate. So let's get that going. Let's go back here. It's going to be really simple, actually. I'm going to add a little comment here. So let's just kind of organize everything. So this section here is fading the cookie out. And this section here is going to be our timeline. Okay, let's do cookie jump here. Okay. Perfect. So I'm going to do TL again from 2. We're going to grab the cookie just like that. Add a comma. And what I want to do is basically move it up and down. So I want it to start from Y0 and go to Y minus 20. Again, minus 20 is going to make it go up. And hit save. So let's see. Where's my Chrome? Let me open up Chrome. There we go. Boop. And it does a jump and it stays there forever. So we don't want that. We want it to keep coming back up and down over and over again. So how do we do that? Well, we can add a comma here. We can say yo-yo true. And that's literally going to go like a yo-yo. And then what we also need to define is a repeat. So how many times do we want this to go up and down? So I can say 2, for example. Bam, bam, and that's it. Now, if you want it to go forever, you can do -1, and that's going to loop indefinitely. Bam. There we go. That's really cool. Now, what I also want to do is add a little bit of rotation to this. So I'm just going to hit here, add a comma, say rotation from 0 degrees. And here I'm just going to say rotation, something like 10 degrees. We'll see how that looks. Hit save. There we go. I actually want it to go the other way. So let's do minus here. Minus, let's do 20. And there we go. There's a little jumpy jump. That's really cool. Now, I also want to do this thing to the crumbs. So let's see how we selected the crumbs. Again, we exported through, we did an export through Figma. So I believe we used an ID here. So let's see where it is. So crumbs. Okay, so let's just select it. We can actually just pretty much copy paste everything over that we have up here. So this last line, so just copy, paste it. I need to like that. We'll keep everything the same. Change this to hashtag crumbs. I'll get rid of the rotation. We not really want to rotate anything here. I guess you can keep it, see if it looks cool. I'll just do a little Y movement here, and that's it. So hit save, and look at that. Now they're out of sync, so I want them to go at the same time. So again, the way we can do that is comma, and add the symbol here. Save, and there we go. Has a little jump. Now, as you can see, it cuts off there actually, like that. So that has to do with the way our SVG is, unfortunately. So we can go here and just modify some things here. I think we can get rid of this whole clip path here and see if that fixes our issue. So get rid of that clip path, hit save. Let's see. It's better, but not good enough. There might be another clip path here somewhere. So unfortunately, that cuts everything off for us. Let me see here. Should be able to find it. These SVGs are a bit of a nightmare. Let me scroll through and see if I can find it. Okay, so here's the problem actually. If you open up inspect element, let me zoom in here for you so you can see. If we select the SVG, so it's actually going outside of that SVG container like that. So that's why it's going away. So all you need to do is really add an overflow visible on the SVG and then it should be fine. So go back here, find the cookie, here's the cookie, add an overflow visible, and you should be all good to go. And there it is. That's our finished animation. Let's hit refresh, watch it again. Boom, there we go. All right, now we're officially moving on to the next chapter. I'm happy. See you there.